Welcome back to the Daily Doge. Today we're doing Dogecoin technical analysis, and look what we got here. Right away I see I had these two lines drawn yesterday. Well, I had this line, I've been moving it up and down little by little. This is just from my own personal reference for my swing trade, and this one was for another trade. So I don't want to be confusing with that. But basically half of my money was in and half was out, and then the other half I've been trading. So I have like a swing trade going on, and then I have shorter scalps, which I'm just trying to make like 6% here, 10% there, which is a lot actually. Usually scalping is like you're trying to get like 2 or 3%. But since Doge moves so much, you can get, I mean, for 30 cents up to 33 cents, that's 10% right there. That's a lot. So these scalps can be nice in crypto. So what have we got going on here? We passed my short-term trade and I sold. And now you don't have to do what I'm doing. In fact, don't do what I'm doing, because then I have to be there every second telling you what I'm doing. And I do post videos almost every single day, but you know, it's quick to move. So here's today's Daily Doge. Yesterday I also did that, what was it, Clover Health Investments that was rocketing. I didn't even look at it. Actually, I'm curious just to peek at it really quick. It's just down at 2% today. Oh, what? Why didn't my alert go off? That's unfortunate. Well, if you were waiting for a fifth wave, that looks like it. Okay, I wasn't planning to do CLOV, but here we go. I'll do this really quick and then I'll get to Doge. So this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So someone was asking me in the comments, are the 5 waves in? And I said, nah, the 3 waves are in, but until it makes a 5th wave, I don't think so. Well, then I put an alert at the top of the 3rd wave, and it was supposed to alert me when this came above. Well, what happened to that? Also, that doesn't even look like 5. That doesn't even look like 5 subwaves. It looks like 3. That's weird. That 5th wave, let's see if we can see 5 waves. I mean, I guess. Was this wave 4? That's pushing it. Because if you know Elliott Waves, wave 4 cannot cross wave 1 except for a wick. So let's just get this out of the way. It did cross just a wick. So that could have been it, but that's a weird looking, that is a weird looking 5 waves. It looks much more like 3 waves to me, but then that wouldn't make sense. So if it is 3 waves, what it could have been is an expanded flat, because obviously we're back way down. Now I see 5 waves coming down right there, and then 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I see 5 subwaves in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly. So this correction could be possibly done It might start going back up. It's already gone up a couple bucks since I started talking. I might take a little nibble in this I might just get like 10 bucks worth of this. Just to kind of get a bookmark in there. Or you can even get $5 just to put it on your radar and get it in your portfolio. Let's see. I'm going to get 20 bucks and just get... This is a gamble, though, for me. This is not... I don't know. I haven't researched this. It's speculative. But I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that looked like it was an ABC. Possibly, and now this could be wrong, ABC. Now it's going back up. So I'm just going to take a nibble of that and buy. And then I'm not really going to look at that, so I'm not going to hyperactively trade this, I don't think. Probably just going to swing trade it. Well, actually, this doesn't look like a good time to buy because we're already overbought. So that was just for me to kind of put a bookmark on this so it's in my portfolio and I can see it as it moves. All right, let's move back on to Doge. I'm going to move I don't know why my alert didn't go off. That's pretty obnoxious. Okay, so I moved my alert up to 28-ish, 20, right below 29. And this correction could go on and on. It's probably not over just with that. But if it's really bullish right now, people are hyperactive. See, really what you would want is to wait till it goes below this on the RSI. That's the alert that I want, is when it drops down. All right, enough of CLOV. Let's go back to Doge for the daily Doge. All right, thanks everyone for watching, by the way. So we're up here. We had three waves go up. That looked like a 5 waves down, but let's see. Oops. Could have been like this, I suppose. 1, 2, 3, up, 1, 2, 3. Because it just can't have one 5 wave going down and then that wouldn't make sense with Elliott Waves. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then this came down 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3 back up. So I don't see 5 waves on here. Even if this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's not, because the wave 3 in the middle has to be longer than the wave 1. So this with a really long wave 1, that's just a wave 3. 1, 2, 3. So you can do the subwaves of these. But I should change the colors because, alright, so I'm going to get rid of these. Let me zoom out. But then I had another line drawn up here for my swing trade. I think I took a little bit out. Oh, did I miss it go up to 36? What? Was I talking? Was I looking at CLOV when that happened? That's annoying. I would have sold a little bit up there if I would have been paying attention. See what I sacrificed to make these videos for you? All right, so let me delete these for now because we have my old count didn't happen as I expected in that one of these counts, and some of these are just, I'm mapping them out as I go. Okay, so that one ended here, and we've got a big 1, 2, 3 at the end. And then now we've got a 1, 2, 3 going up. Boom. So where to from here? Where to from here? That's what everyone wants to know. Okay, so this was was that the top of the correction? No. All right, so this was the top of the correction. And we have this. Let me get rid of the subwaves so it's less jumbled. If you want to see where I counted these out, I did it in a video. I have a whole playlist, crypto playlist. I also have a daily Doge playlist. And I have so many playlists actually. All right. So we've got this 1, 2, 3 coming down, and then 1, 2, 3 going sideways. And then 1, 2, 3 going down. So the little 1, 2, 3 that just happened is small compared to this. So this is a subwave right here. And we could end up doing, okay, so if this was an WXYZ, WX, Y, X, Z. I think this is what someone in the comments has been telling me that they think it is. Let me know if this is what you thought. I'm not sure your name. Your username was, I don't remember your username because it was seemed like a code of something. But W, X, Y, these are all threes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then Z would be 1, 2, 3. Now if we're coming up, it's probably going to 1, 2, 3 back down. Now that I'm looking at it from farther away. Ooh, is that my buy zone? Will it enter my buy zone? And again, short term, I have been buying and selling. But when I say my buy zone, that's like the HODL buy zone, more or less. Even though I'm not the one promoting HODLing, unless it's silver and gold. All right, so judging by the length of this wave coming down so far, could end up being this long. However, the Z wave could be 5 waves coming down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This last one could come down like this. I'm not sure if it'll go all the way down to that or not. But if it did go down to around 15, I hope to be there, and I hope to be buying. So yeah, I got out. As you can see, I had some trades going, but I'm still in maybe 1/3 or so, or more. So I'm more than halfway out because I'm waiting for it to drop. But I'm not totally out. Why am I not totally out? Because it might go up. Because the Elliott wave count I have here could be incorrect, and I don't want to totally, you use it for predictive power, but you don't like base your whole life savings on it. Since we're in the middle of a correction that's complicated, however, a WXYXZ correction are the most common corrections these days. So this is not uncommon to happen. This is normal, and I think that should help everyone just calm down and open your eyes and see what we can see. It's hard to predict the end of a correction ever, but if we've got one more drop coming down, now corrections could be complicated where it could go into another correction after the correction. There can be double and triple corrections. Check out the book Elliott Wave Principle. And you can learn a lot. So it's always good to learn so that you have something to base your decisions off of. Now, again, I always have to warn when trading crypto, trade at your own risk. Because I don't really think there's an underlying asset. With silver and gold, you can actually hold something and touch it. With Bitcoin, yeah, you can get a little thumb drive or a offline wallet, but I don't know, to me that just doesn't, I'm not super tech guy. That's not my thing. I'm really a super health guy or a psychology guy. So that's why I'm doing this. It's because the Elliott waves are based on psychology. So I'm speculating to try to make some money for myself. And I'm making these videos because people ask me to make more of them. So if you like videos like this, let me know in the comments. If you want to see something, someone in the comments yesterday asked, let me see. Someone asked, Steven asked, what do I think about Doge / BTC? Because I said that chart looks bullish. So let me look for Doge / BTC. Here we go. So this isn't the Doge US dollar. This is the Doge Bitcoin. And let me open this in a different tab. Doge BTC. Okay. Wow. Looks like something. That's for sure. Let's look at the weekly first. Okay, this has only been going on since 2014, and then, ooh, rough. Look how long that correction lasted. From February 2014 to January 2021. See how there's a double correction of some kind? That just went sideways forever. Well, there were some good juicy trades in there. If you look at it like this. Wow. Yeah, those are some, if you caught those at the right time. But yikes. That is volatile. So that would have been the juicy spot to get in and then get out up there. If you could have timed it. .0. See, I can't even tell what you would have made. That return looks insane, though. Even though it's fractions of a cent. Oops. Okay, so let's look at what's going on now. I'm going to have to zoom in more than this. I see 5 waves going up, that's for sure. Wherever it started, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, that's as clear as day. That's easy to see. You know, the 4 came all the way back and touched right at the top of the 1. Boom, 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 boom. Nice and 5 waves. Very clear, very easy. That's the easy part. Now, this correction that we're in right now, what in the world is this? I see 3 waves. Let me zoom in. I see 3s and 3s. Yep. Oops. I see, oh, this stuff is in the way. Is that the top? Or is that the top? Suppose it was here. Could have been there, 1, 2, 3. Could have been here, 1, 2, 3. Anyway, 1, 2, 3. Very sideways. And I mean, so far it looks very 1, 2, 3-ish. And it looks like we're in the, there's a, that's a subwave though. It's not the same as these big ones. So this is probably part of something playing out. I assume it would come back to around here because it looks like it's just going sideways up and down. So it might go to 0.0000712. So is this measured in Satoshis or in Doges? Anyway, that's the waves as I see it right now. Just 1, 2. I mean, it could end up being like a B, C, D, E kind of thing. Something like that. Could be. Or it could be an X, Y, X, Z, W, X, Y, X, Z. So let's see what happens here. Oh, actually, this could be, can't forget this possibility. It could be an ABC 333. Flat. Yeah, that's likely. So we've got probably a, this looks like it's probably around there. This, who knows where this is going to go, and then down to here. Something like that might happen as far as the Bitcoin/Doge chart. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for the feedback. Thank you for asking me to see different things, because that's how I get ideas for the next videos. So please leave me feedback as long as it's positive and constructive. And I will see you in the next video. I appreciate all the likes and subscribers recently. The channel is almost monetized. I just need a couple more 100 hours watch time. So thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate that. It's helping the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day on purpose. And trust nature. Live alkaline. Peace.